So I have come over to have a nice little chat with Nick from Pace, all about what he's been up to over the last year. I think it's been a year now since I saw you. And also what new technologies he's brought to PPMA this year. How are you?
Very well indeed. Thank you for that.
Good. Well, it's lovely to see you again. But before we delve into the details about this year, for anyone who doesn't know what Pace does, could you break it down for us? Could you tell us a bit about the company?
Well, basically, Pace Mechanical Handling is a company that integrates robots into different systems that the client may require. So we deal with industrial robots and cobots as well. And each robot has its place in the industry. It really depends on the application.
Fantastic. So we've got a cobot behind us here. Could you just talk us through this and exactly what you can offer with this machine?
This particular robot is a 15 kilo capacity robot, and it can be used for lifting boxes, cartons, bottles, cans, pretty well anything. And you could also integrate it into a carton erecting machine or for moving objects from A to B, picking, placing.
Fantastic. Now, I did mention a moment ago, we chatted last year here at PPMA. How has your year been? Because it's been quite an interesting one, hasn't it?
It has. Work-wise, it's been up, down, middle, high, low. But from a technology point of view, it's been absolutely fabulous because we are investing in AI. Now, you might say, well, what's that all about? But we want to use AI to do predictive maintenance on our machines. Now that could be any machine really, and it's working in conjunction with PLCs, HMI, gathering the information so the customer will have an understanding on how to maintain and replace or service that machine going forward.
Amazing. So when you say predictive maintenance, is that essentially the machine taking care of itself?
Yes and no. The machine can't really fix itself, but what you can do is you can get a warning, send it to somewhere, and then somebody could act on that warning, and that makes life a lot easier. And with AI, you can actually monitor the amount of warnings you've had and actually start to be predictive. So you could say, well, this part only lasts 6 months. That could either be changed to a different manufacturer, or it could just be continually changed.
Brilliant. And AI, we are seeing it as a bit of a theme. So yesterday we had a keynote speech here at PPMA from Priya Lakhani, OBE. And I think there's been a bit of a buzz on the floor, hasn't it, about that conversation and people going, maybe we need to jump on this, maybe we need to develop it more. But hopefully this is something that is going to be a real forefront for your business moving forward.
It is. And I think the reason we want to do it is because there's still labour issues out there. Unskilled labour, trying to fix machines is not a good way forward. So having this piece of technology in the toolkit will make life a lot easier for any business that wants to keep rolling.
Yeah, I love that, really helping people push their business forward, which I know is what Pace is all about. So why is it important then that you've come back to PPMA this year, except for us to have a catch-up?
Well, this year we actually went to Automate in Coventry, and we had a good session there, and the PPMA for us has really always been a good show. I mean, this is our main show for the year. I would be very disappointed if you changed it to a biannual show, so keep it once a year and keep the customers coming in. I understand that it's got bigger, which is good, and maybe Scott can drum up some business over in Las Vegas next week and bring some clients from over there.
Or you'll have to go out and visit as well.
Well, that's not a bad idea.
Amazing, Nick. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. Do come down and have a chat with Nick and the team and find out exactly how Pace can help you, especially leverage that AI moving forward.